If Facebook is showing an error 500, don't worry. This is usually a temporary server-side issue or a browser problem that you can often fix in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest steps to troubleshoot it, including refreshing the page, checking your internet connection, clearing your browser cache, and trying incognito mode. If this helps, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Let's get started. First, the simplest fix is to refresh the page. On your keyboard, press F5, or click the refresh button in your browser. Sometimes Facebook throws a 500 error just because the page didn't load properly the first time. After refreshing, wait a few seconds and see if the site loads normally. If the error is still there, the next thing to check is your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can sometimes make Facebook load incorrectly, which can look like a server error. Try opening another website like YouTube or Google to make sure your internet is working. If other sites are slow too, restart your router or switch to a different connection and try Facebook again. Now, if your connection is fine and Facebook still shows the error, clear your browser cache. Over time, your browser stores old files that can become corrupted or outdated, and that can interfere with how Facebook loads. To do this, open your browser settings, go to Privacy or History, and clear cached images and files. After clearing the cache, close the browser completely and reopen Facebook. If you still can't get past the error, try using incognito mode. This is a great way to test whether the issue is coming from your browser extensions, cookies, or saved site data. In Chrome, for example, you can open a new incognito window and sign into Facebook there. If Facebook works in incognito mode, that usually means the problem is caused by browser data or an extension, not Facebook itself. At that point, you can go back and disable extensions one by one, or clear cookies for Facebook specifically, until the issue is gone. In many cases, one of these steps will fix the problem right away. So, to quickly recap, refresh the page, check your internet connection, clear your browser cache, and try incognito mode. Those are the most reliable first steps when dealing with Facebook error 500. If the problem is on Facebook's side, you may just need to wait a little while and try again later. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple fixes just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.